Hello everyone, I have another journal to share today. This one is Traveler's Notebook style. So the cover here, I have two eyelets, and actually there's another eyelet here I believe. Nope, there's just a hole there holding my elastic cordings to make it Traveler's Notebook style. Some hand-dyed seam binding, used some vintage photo and some other inks on that. I tied it in a little bow here. And what I'm going to do, because there's a lot of glare, is I'm going to take my Traveler's Notebook, my insert, out. So you see here I have the one elastic in the center. And first I'll show the cover and then flip through. I've done a little tiny hole punch here because this cover is laminated, and then that holds the elastics nicely in place. And then there's a center hole, so there's some smaller areas I could slip in smaller ephemera things, and then I have the large one for the insert. And I have a plastic label pocket here and a little plastic envelope with some journal extras in there. So then the back. Okay, so the kit I used, I had pages printed out, was called Vintage Parcel from Tsunami Rose. So I'm going to leave that right up there, and then I'm going to set this aside. And when I am flipping through, if I refer to it as kit, that would be from the journal kit. And there's also lots of things that I used my latest Your Creative Studio box with, and that one I will be referring to as from the box. So let me scoot up a little just to make sure I stay in frame. Coffee dyed paper, stamping, there's a variety in here. This is probably a Tsunami Rose. There's a couple random ephemera. These came in the kit, the journal kit. These here and the washi came in the Your Creative Studio box. And I'll probably put an iCard so you can know what I'm talking about there. That's the box. The washi is the box, and then these washi are just extra from my stash. And again, this stamping, the stamp came in the box. This is a coffee dyed index card, and I've left this open here so I can stick another thing, part of the flap, and otherwise I've glued this coffee dyed envelope onto the page there. These are just the beautiful pages. Coffee dyed tickets here, making a belly band. That's from the kit, and this is from the box. From the kit, added some extra. This is a glassine bag here, glued on the two sides to make a tack, and it still functions. There's some faint stamping from the box there, you can see. This page was boo-boo in over-exuberant stamping, so I covered that up. That's so you can see a little bit there, but covered it up so that I could live with it. From the box, beautiful stamp there. From the box, Post-it. I've scored here so that it flips up easily, but it's got that temporary Post-it adhesive there. This is also from the box. It's vellum. I just stapled it to adhere it. From the kit, and this is from the box. This was a misprint, so it had something else on the back side. Covered it up with the paper ephemera from the box. I think this might be Ephemera's Vintage Garden, just some random ephemera I had. Some stamping there. Here's the center of the signature where I have attached this envelope. This is a stamp from the box. Let's see if I can get close up. I can't tell if it's focusing because of the glare from my lights. And then this is coffee dyed envelope. Inside I have some Tsunami Rose ephemera, and it's just inked all over the back there. I wonder if, yeah, you can see in there how I've tied the signature. So I had to re-glue this. It was open. I think I had to encourage it to open, but I did it without tearing and was able to make this at the center. Some more of that vellum I've just glued around on there from the box, the vellum. Another coffee dyed index card. This is a stamp I have in my stash that if you're interested in knowing more about it, I could look it up, but I don't know offhand. Washi from the box. This is from the kit. Stamping from the box. Ephemera from the kit. This also, I think, is printed out from the kit, and I've just backed it up against itself and onto this paper clip. More tickets that are coffee dyed. skipped a page there. A stamp I've had forever, for a very long time, some stamping. Again, I have attached another envelope. Oops, got lots going on there. Scoot over a little. And I've glued it here and here and along there, but left this part open. This washi is from the box. This is from the kit. And then this stamp here is from the box. And I've stamped it out twice on some card and glued it together here at the top of the paper clip. Just kind of playing with the ideas of hidden paper clips, etc. This is ephemera from the kit. These washis I just had in my stash. They're all Postal themed. Here is my attempt at a hidden paper clip, which is the stamped image. The ornate bulldog comes from the box. I have a little bit of the paper clip not hidden there, and I thought that I could add some bling on there, which I haven't done. You know, like a little charm or something. This little piece comes in the journal kit, and I have washied it as a flip out. And then this sort of functions as a hidden paper clip, at least on this side. Some more stamping, random ephemera that I don't know where it came from. You can see that side. Another glassine bag here, a little bit of stamping on there, and let's see if I can bring this. You can see the very faint stamping there. I think it was stamped off, and that's a Spellbinder stamp, and that's from a very old kit, or not kit, stamp set I have. More ephemera from the kit. Just blank on the back. I stapled this for a little tuck spot. It's not super well adhered there. These two also come in the kit. I've put some topper on there. This is some Tsunami Rose ephemera that had something else printed on the back that was a misprint, and I've backed it onto some packaging. And look at Postal themed packaging. It's great. And then there's a couple fun things here towards the end. These, I'm going to try to get closer here. Those are actual canceled postage stamps that I got at a yard sale. They had a bag of them, and they're on postcards. And I've just cut them out, or they were mostly trimmed out, but then I've cut the decorative edge with some decorative edge scissors. And then this little guy is amazing. I have a wax seal on there, and the wax seal is adhered just at the top. Whoops. Sorry about that. Just at the top of this paper, and then I put some sticky, tacky, repositionable adhesive on that side so it'll grab onto the paper, and then so this paper completely folds out to be written on, and then it can close back up like an envelope. And the idea for that came from, I was visiting a museum, and they had this little souvenir that has the instructions on how to fold it. So there's step 1 there, and then 2 and 3. Anyway, I followed those instructions to make my little envelope out of paper. And that is it. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful creative day. Bye!